this. And guys, these are the pieces. Guys, this can shake the bridge when you press this button. Wow. So guys, if one person goes here and another person lands on 6, he goes on top of this person and then he goes here. Okay guys, now we need to get this board out of the box.
Okay, did you get everything out?
Here's the strings to hold it.
Okay, how do you say box in Italian?
Scatola. Guys, these strings go on the side of the bridge. One goes on this side, and one goes on this side. So then you can, where is the connector? Hey guys, look, this guy got a gem.
And how do you say gem in Italian?
Gem. Guys, I'm gonna put each gem in six gem in each paw, guys.
How do you say 6 in Italian?
Say.
Yes. What are you doing? What are you opening up? What do you think that is for, Robert?
This is for the bridge.
And how do you say bridge in Italian?
Ponte.
Yes.
And guys, these are boats, and boats in Italian is barca.
Boat in Italian is barca. Yes.
And guys, a person goes on it. Look.
It goes on the boat. Show us. Let's see. And which color is that boat?
Red.
And how do you say red in Italian?
Rosso. And we're gonna put this board in the middle. Move the boat.
You're gonna move the
Yeah,
boat.
and then we're gonna put this right there.
Right at the start.
No, it goes right here because the feet are gonna go on and they're gonna cover. They're gonna go right here.
Okay, and show us how it shakes.
You press this button. Oh!
Oh!
A diamond fell up.
It's gonna make the bridge shake.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have all the jewels.
And guys, this shakes off the jewel.
The jewels. And how do you say jewel in Italian?
Yellow.
Yes. He's gonna collect all the jewels.
And guys, where do you put this? That goes here.
You know what you never, ever, 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 ever do, guys? Look at instructions.
Now let's put these on.
Let me see. How do you do
We're
it?
gonna lift.
Yeah, like that.
We're gonna lift up the bridge a little bit.
Is it the board or the bridge?
And then wow, so simple. We're gonna put
Okay, put
this
that one in. Yes.
Now I'm gonna start putting lift up the board. Put it on, and then you put that. How did it go in there?
Well, you pull it up. Oh, you're gonna snap it in there.
Ah. Okay, we last one.
Oh, you did it already, brother. Good job. Let's see, Jacob. Jacob did it as well. Here we go.
Now we.
So we have the start and the end of the
We
bridge.
must do
Yay, Ponte.
Now we're gonna dump this all out. And how the hell does this go? You take it out of the blood.
Oh my God, guys.
Yeah, look what happens when you put it.
Oh yeah, you're so smart, guys.
Oh, it goes under the paws. I think.
Oh yes. How do you say 12 in Italian?
12.
Yes.
And make sure this part snaps on the white thing.
Oh, there's a white thing that's not on.
Well, I think the white thing needs to be up a little. No, it doesn't. You just.
Uh-oh.
The bridge. Okay. Oh, the bridge is not going good. Okay, now see if the bridge moves.
Yes, it does.
There's two gates. There's two of these fell on the ground.
What are those?
I don't know. They're for the
The rails?
Yeah.
Side rails?
The side rails.
So you can hang on them and not fall from the bridge?
Yeah, but there's only.
Non volete cadere dal ponte?
Yeah, but now let's see if it works. Put these on. We're gonna put this under. Then we're gonna snap them on.
Ok, maybe now we are going to build the bridge. A little bit faster, un pochino più veloce, vero? Uh-oh, we lost the little red player. What are we gonna do without the red player? Senza
Here he is.
il rosso.
God, that was easy.
Okay, now go with 5.
13. Okay. I need to squeeze the
Yes, good job.
I just need to squeeze the left hand side good.
Oh, one fell.
Where is
I get it for you.
17?
It's 13. Make sure that the arrow are in the right direction so that it
See
doesn't.
the arrow going that way.
Okay, you're looking.
I'm a bridge now.
You are a bridge? Yes, you are. Let's see what happens if I push down your legs.
È un ragno.
È un ragno. Let's show the spider, il ragno.
When they wash up on the shirt.
Which one?
These.
They're worms? Vermi? Yeah, it looks like worms. So vermi.
Hey guys, I made a funny song on Sync 1. What is it? Do it in English is 2.
Yes.
Guys, he's going mountain climbing.
Si sta arrampicando?
And now we found a gem on the top of the mountain.
Wow! Ha trovato una gemma and he got it in his backpack. And Robert, how do you say yellow in Italian?
Yellow. And let's put every book at the 30.
Okay, Jacob, start putting your gems.
6 gems in each ball, or 6 and 6 gems in each ball. 1. And guys, while Jacob's waiting, I'm gonna roll my dice for the game.
And how do you say dice in Italian?
Dado.
What did you get?
3 and a gem.
A 3 and a gem.
So, you take
The blue one for?
2, 3.
So now let's go. What did you?
5. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the beach.
You're taking him up? Oh!
Oh, the monster shook the bridge and he woke up. So you need to put
So a 1 and a gem.
So
So what did you get now?
6 and a half. So 1, 2, 3. Get off. 4.
What does the green hat means?
The green head means you can move to a dangerous spot if someone's there.
So if you had another player that was already on the bridge, you could have moved it to a more dangerous spot on the bridge so that when you shake it, falls?
You fall in the water and the alligator eats you.
Yes, that's what happens.
Well, then,
Okay,
oh,
what did you get?
shake.
1 and shake, but there is nobody on the bridge, so the shake is for nothing. Okay, and
And a 5.
okay, so a hat and a 5. Okay, is on
The mountain. Okay.
On the mountain.
So my turn. I have 3 and a shake.
3, so that's occupied.
I'm gonna press the button.
You have to, you must, right? Oh, you got lucky, nothing fell down.
Oh.
Okay, now you're playing blue. 6 and a gem. So you cannot steal any gem.
I'm not
1, 2.
4, 5.
Yes, yeah. 6.
You're gonna jump and fall.
6 and a gem. You cannot steal any gem. So
Well, he's gonna fall because look, there's a hole.
there is a hole. Well, you have to shake it first. Try.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey!
It's a
Whatever it is, it is.
half and a 2.
So a hat and a 2. So you can move one of your opponents in a more dangerous spot if you want to. Or
Fine, I'll do it because I want to get gems. 1, 2.
No, but do you want to move any of Robert's players? Or do you want to leave them where they are?
I want to move Robert.
Where do you want to move them? Which one do you want to move and where?
I want to move one and move them right here.
Okay, a shake and a 4.
3, 4.
Are you sure that you use that one and you don't have to use the red one?
Shake.
Okay.
My turn. Your turn. Your turn. So 5 and a 9.
No, 1.
2, 3, 4. Think of yours.
What did you get?
Oh no.
A 3 and a shake, so Jacob is down for sure.
Well, maybe I'm not gonna be. You know, if you go next to me, I can steal yours.
Oh, 3?
Because I want to go fast. No.
Okay, go. He didn't shake down, that's almost impossible.
So it's 4 and a shake. Okay.
What is it?
4 and a shake.
Uh-oh, you're gonna shake yourself again?
But don't
See?
fall. No.
No, it didn't fall, you're
No
so
one
lucky.
fell.
Okay, no one fell. How many gems do you have to get to win? What did you get?
3 and a gem.
3 and a gem. Okay.
So no, that's this one.
Yeah, you have to play with the other one now.
So 1, 2. I'd rather go here. That was a shaken in 2.
And shaken in 2. Okay, now you can get a gem. Finally, Jacob. And you save yourself. 1, 2. Get the gem you want.
Pick one.
Take the gem you
Pick a blue
want.
one. Get
Orange, arancione.
Orange is the best color.
Oh no, it's not a shake. You can move one of your opponents to somewhere where he can fall.
See,
What you get?
5 and a hat. So I want to move 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, now you're safe again, you see? And then what do you have? A hat. So now you can move one of Jacob's in an unsafe place if you want.
Okay, I'd rather move him over here. Then I'm gonna put him right over. Give me
Daddy,
a
shake and a 2.
1.
Okay. You have to shake it.
Let's see who else.
Okay, nothing happened with the shake. A 1 and a gem. So do a 1 first. Okay, yeah.
Yourself.
So how does this jewel work? Why can't you steal any this time?
Because we're not on the same space. We don't start in the same space. We can't steal a jewel.
So let's go ahead. Now it is Jacob's turn again. Turn. Jacob's turn. Il turno di Jacob. Let's go. A shake and a 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. And now I shake. My diamond fell.
And he knows that if the jewel falls, you have to leave it there and you can collect it on your way back, right? But if you fell into the river, you have to put it back in the totem poles. Okay? So,
A 4 and a 2. 3. And I'm gonna go back to collect this gem. Hat and a 3.
a hat and a 3. So,
1, 2, 3.
yes, okay.
Guys, one of these.
And what else do you have? Do you want to move
A diamond.
a diamond, but you don't have any diamond to take? So, okay, now it's Robert's turn.
Oh, okay. And I forgot which one I need to move.
What did you get? What did you
I'm
get?
in a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now it's Jacob's turn. Okay, a shake and what? A 3 and a shake. A 3 and a shake. The gem fell from above, but that is still up. Nobody lost a gem. And look at this guy.
I didn't fall.
Look at Robert. He didn't fall either. So if he didn't fall, I think he can be put back. He's safe. So let's put him back. Put him back where he belongs.
Hey, get off. Get off my leg, little bird. Get off my leg. I'm gonna get So I diamond and a 3. So
A 3. If you land on anybody's spot that has a diamond, you can get one.
So this time I'm gonna chuck it in really good.
3 and a gems.
1, 2, skip that one, 3. Yeah.
Okay, now it's your turn.
You're going back without a gem.
2 and a gem.
So 1, I'm gonna roll my 2. My dash.
It's a 5 and a shake.
4, 5.
Yeah, you almost got the gem.
See?
Oh! What happens? Now that your yellow explorer fell, you have to leave the jewel where it fell. And then you start over with your little boat. Here.
It's 2 and a gem.
A 2 and a gem.
There.
Okay, and now which one do you want to move 2 times?
Well, it's also a gem.
Well,
Oh, 6 and a shake.
Okay, nothing shook off. You are only 2 so far, so take the gem.
Okay.
Go one back.
Oh no. Shake 2.
Yeah, 1.
2.
Okay, now a shake. Nothing happened.
And 5 and a shake.
And you're getting your gem now.
And he won the game. 3.
You got the 4th gem! How many gems do you need?
Okay, so now it's my turn. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yes! Shake! And a 6.
And a 6 and a shake, so get your guy off. Okay, so what did you get? A 5 and a half.